What's up, y'all? Today it is absolutely disgusting outside, but we are at the local spot, closest fishing spot to my house. I'm going to try to throw a spinnerbait around. Might hop in the yak, and I might even kayak way upstream and see if I can throw my fly rod around, but we are going to see how the weather plays out. Stay tuned. Oh, ew. Oh, come on. Oh, hey, oh. Let's go. Oh, hey, oh, hey, hey, hey. Well, bud, I'm glad you're eating. First fish of the day. Munched my spinnerbait. Monster. I was worried I wasn't gonna catch any, so good little start. We'll go. Oh, okay. Oh, oh, right as it hit the water. Oh, hey-oh. Hey. Get in the boat, 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 get in the boat. Hey, let's go. In the rain. In the rain. Oh God, where's my button? Woo! Let's go. Let's go. I gotta snap a pic of this one. Let's go. Gobbled up that spinnerbait. Oh God. Let's go. They're munching. Fuck. We got it good, brother. That is honestly not a bad little stud. Fat fish. Feeding up for the fall. I don't know if y'all can see this. It is raining. But man, does that make the rainy day a lot better. Here you go, bud. Let's go. Yes! Oh. Come on, baby. Oh, that's a big one. Oh my gosh. Let's go! Let's go! Oh my gosh, big butterball. Let's go. I don't even know if the freaking camera can see. Butterball. Oh, this is a fat fish, y'all. Look at that belly. Let's go. Shit. Oof. Golly. I just can't resist. Not huge. Not huge. Dinker. Oh, next cast. I didn't even get my camera turned on yet. Oh, there's a better one. Ooh. Oh, shit. Don't hook me. Oh, shit. Got all twisted. Literally next cast. My lord, these bass are healthy. Look at the spots on him. You'll see his tail spots. This weird spot right there too. Golly. Just absolutely slaying them. Slaying them. Woo, what is up, y'all? I am actually back in the truck now. It started monsooning and I sprint paddled about 2 miles, 2-ish miles back to the truck. And yeah, the fly fishing mission was a bust, but caught a few largies, didn't expect that. So catch me on the next one.